Hey guys, welcome back to Coders Arcade. This is Ashank David, and welcome back to another video of job prep series where we talk about different companies. We talk about what all those companies do, what are the job roles available, and how do you crack it, what is the eligibility, and what all things you need to prepare for that particular job role in that company. Now, today I have brought you a very special video, and this video is catered to those people who are always confused. There is a huge confusion in the market right now. What is the difference between Ninja, Digital, and Prime roles that are available in TCS? Now, if you have cleared the TCS NQT round, then you will be allotted one of these three roles. This is your basic understanding about TCS. Now guys, one more thing before I start with this video is that this TCS NQT exam, if we talk about in the current scenario, is going to held on 25th of December 2025 for this month's cycle. So if you haven't registered for that exam yet, you have to register it as soon as possible because there is only 6 days remaining to register. The last date of registering for this NQT exam is on 14th of December, guys. So those students who haven't registered yet, please do register. I have told you about how to crack this NQT exam, guys, that TCS, this national qualifier test. Now I've already created a video on that. This is that video, guys. So go ahead and watch this video if you haven't watched this video yet. I will give the link of this video in the description below, guys, so you can go ahead and watch that. I have also given you a 20 days of roadmap to clear the NQT round. So how to prepare for TCS NQT, and depending upon your skill set, you will be allotted one of these three roles, that is Ninja, Digital, or Prime. So if you haven't watched this video, it is absolutely important, guys, very, very important. Go ahead and watch this video. Again, I'm reminding you that the last registration date for TCS NQT 2025 December cycle is on 14th of December, and the exam will be held on 25th of December. So roughly 6 days for registration right from today's day, and around 17 days for the exam to be held. And I have told you about the procedure how to clear it. Also, subscribe to our Telegram channel as well, because I have given there the cheat sheet for this exam, guys. So make sure to understand that really well. If you want the cheat sheet, I've all given you the all type of questions pattern that is generally asked, and the theory related to whatever is asked in the TCS interview round. Now, without any further ado, let's start with our today's concept, our today's video, guys. That is the difference between TCS, Ninja, Digital, and Prime roles. So let's get started, guys. So this is a video of our job prep series. So we are going to now talk about the TCS different job role profiles that we have. So first we have the Ninja, then we have the Digital, and then at last we'll finally talk about the Prime. So these are the three job roles that you are allotted once you clear this TCS NQT round, the national qualifier test. What exactly is the difference between all three roles? So let's talk about that in depth. Let's start with our first one, TCS Ninja role. This is the foundational role. This is the entry level role, and this is the role which you get once you clear your TCS NQT with good strong level of aptitude and basic level of coding. That means you will get this role if your aptitude was very good, your verbal and communication was very good, but you somewhat was not able to solve all the coding questions, or your performance in coding round was not good. In that case, you will be allotted with the TCS Ninja role. This is the absolute beginner process. So here you will get the salary of around 3.36 LPA to 3.53 LPA. Now for post-graduation people, the salary can go up to 3.53 LPA. Now this is approximation that we are giving you, and this is generally the range for TCS Ninja role that is available right now in TCS after you clear the NQT exam. So this is that. Then if we talk about what role you will get in this, you will get assistant system engineer role, in which you will work on maintenance and support. So guys, if you are looking job into maintenance and support, then TCS Ninja is better for you. Generally, you will clear this by clearing good aptitude, strong aptitude, and then your basic coding skills. Very basic. You're not that much good at coding. You just cleared the round. You've got the certificate. So you get this job. It's like that. So it's a easy to medium level difficulty job, and the foundational section based on the foundational score you will get this job. I hope so that this is absolutely clear to all of you. Then let's talk about the next one, which is digital role. Now, this is the absolute sweet spot for all the TCS aspirants up there. Most of the engineers gets placed initially here. And this is the absolute sweet spot, digital. This is like the medium level role, and here you will become a system engineer. Now, system engineer, here you were becoming an assistant system engineer, here you will become system engineer. Your salary can go up to 7 LPA to 7.30 LPA if you are a postgraduate student. Then 7.30 LPA, this is the range, guys. This is the approximate range here. And the role will be system engineer. Difficulty will be medium to hard level, and you will get this once you clear at least one coding question with good aptitude. Guys, I have explained about this particular thing in our TCS NQT exam video that I have given the link of in the description below. You can go ahead and watch that. I have explained to you the coding breakup section there, where I have told you about what kind of questions are asked and how many questions are asked. In the coding breakup, they will ask you two questions. That is, one is 15-minute easy level question and 45 minutes hard level question. If you clear only the first question, that is your 15 minutes question, the basic level question, then you get selected for digital. If you get the partial output or you're not able to solve the advanced level 45 minutes question, then also it is fine. But this is your digital role that you will get once you clear that basic level question. Good aptitude, fine verbal and communication, and one coding question properly got the output with all the test cases passed. That 15 minutes easy level question if you solve, basic coding knowledge you have, and basic understanding about programming and general things related to computer science is clear, then you will get this particular role, that is TCS digital role, where you will become a system engineer, medium to hard level, good advanced coding scores you will have, and in this you will be working on to new technologies like development and cloud. So basic development like DevOps and clouds. You will be working on this type of field here, right? Not DevOps, but basic level development and cloud. New technology you will work on to as a digital engineer, as a digital systems engineer in TCS once you get this digital role. So this is about the differences between the Ninja and the digital. Now we'll talk about the last one, the absolute prime one. This is the prime job. This is the dream job, guys. And here you will get around 9 LPA, and it can go up to 11 to 12 LPA if you are a postgraduate student in the beginning once you get the job, once you clear the round in NQT. How you will clear this particular round? You need to have absolute best coding, best aptitude, verbal communication ability, and next thing is coding should be all seamless. You should be able to solve the first 15 minutes easy level question, and you should be able to solve 45 minutes hard level question seamlessly with all the test cases passed. Here you will be asked the question from graphs, trees, and solving algorithm from there. So if you are able to solve that kind of question in the TCS NQT, that is the second question. If you are able to solve that with all the test cases passed, you will get this prime. And also once you go into the technical interview round, in the face-to-face round, you are able to clear all the questions which are asked by the interviewer, then this is what you will get as a prime engineer. So this is your TCS Prime role. Here you will become a system engineer specialist. Specialist in the sense domain specific specialist. Maybe you are a full stack developer, or maybe you are a AI ML engineer and machine learning engineer, or maybe you are a data scientist, or you are into research and development. These kind of roles are generally offered in the prime section of this TCS Prime. You will become a system engineer with a speciality, a specific special. Difficulty is hard level, and of course competitive level programming is asked in this case. Guys, exam is only one, that is TCS NQT. Now depends upon how better you clear it, you will get any of these three roles. And here you will have excellent advanced coding score, and you'll work on to AI ML, full stack, research and development, or data science maybe, or data analysis with the advanced part. So guys, this is the difference between these three roles that are getting hyped up in these days. The TCS Ninja Digital and Prime. These are the three, and this is the difference, guys. Overall summary, if we talk about for interview in TCS Ninja, this is perfect for students with a strong aptitude, as I told you, but basic coding skills. Focus on to logic and communication. This is the place where you will get into Ninja. And it requires basic level of C or Java, simple logic and resume basics should be clear. Not only just this basic C or Java, but you can go ahead with any other language also of your choice. Generally, Java is one of the best languages you can go ahead with. That is your interview focus for Ninja. If we talk about the interview focus for digital, then you need to solve at least 1 out of 2 advanced coding question. As I told you, in the coding breakup, there are 2 questions and one is asked. If one is clear, first one is clear, that is your 15 minutes. Then you will get this digital interview, guys. Focuses shifts onto data structures and core CS, core computer science subjects like operating system, computer networking, all those kind of subjects. Here, you will focus on to data structure, not basic level of data structures like stacks, queues, heaps, basic level, not graphs and trees. No need of that. But this is what you will get generally. So here questions can be asked from arrays and strings, definitely that will be there. DBMS and SQL definitely, and project deep dive. What project you have created in your engineering, in your final year, that will be discussed in your digital round. This is the absolute sweet spot, guys, and this is the most of the people get job into. Last one, Prime. This is the main interview focus is the elite category. Must ace both coding questions. Must ace both coding questions. That is your first and the second 15 minutes and 45 minutes. Coding breakup I've already explained. You have to clear that and then you will get this Prime. Interviews are rigorous and technical. Most important, this one is trees, graphs and dynamic programming is asked in this. System design and complex logics are asked. You will be asked to solve a logic in a complex logic in your interviews round. So this is the main thing, guys. Now you might be wondering, like, my advice. Now here I have just added my advice here, a pro tip. Don't worry if you have got selected into Ninja. As I told you in the beginning of the video, you might be wondering, like, your friend has got into TCS Prime or TCS Digital, but you are selected for TCS Ninja. It might be possible like this, guys. If you feel like that, don't feel embarrassed or don't feel, don't reduce your morality, guys, because here the main thing is you should be understanding that it's okay you got selected as Ninja. It's fine. Don't worry, clear the internal exam which is called as Wing 1. You should know about this, Wings 1. Once you get the job, TCS will conduct Wings 1 exam. Every quarterly, they will conduct this exam. Once you get the job, once you get into TCS as a Ninja, this Wings exam will be conducted. If you get distinctive in this Wings exam, your salary will be jumped directly to digital, that is 7 LPA, guys. And this can happen in the first year of joining itself. That means you have joined as a fresher in TCS and you have just got a Ninja role, you want to upgrade it, don't worry about it, work for some time, start studying once you get the job and get distinctive in your Wings 1 round. Wings 1 is the internal exam conducted by TCS every quarterly, as I told you. So just clear that. And in your first year, your fresher year only, your salary jump will be getting in this first year, that is to digital, that is 7 LPA. This way you can at least acquire digital role in TCS, guys. Well, that's all for this video, guys. I hope you found this video informative. And if you found this video informative, then please do give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, guys, Code is Arcade, and don't forget to press the bell icon also so that you won't miss any future updates. Also, guys, do not forget to watch that TCS NQT 20 days roadmap guide video that I have already given the link of that in the description below. So go ahead and watch that. That's absolutely important. And if you have not registered for TCS NQT yet, go ahead and register that. The last date is on 14th of December. Again and again, I'm reminding. Final exam date is 25th. I've already given you the cheat sheet in our Telegram channel, guys. So don't forget to subscribe to our Telegram channel and download that sheet from there. There in the cheat sheet, I've already provided the exam pattern, the pattern of questions related to arrays and strings, and also theory related to DBMS, SQL and other things. In aptitude section also, I have given you a lot of different things to remember for aptitude as well, which will be helping you to clear the NQT round, guys. Well, that's all for this video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Until then, take care, stay healthy, and bye-bye. Happy learning.